we just need to be careful here, just because they have been running. They've been running all the time, but I doubt they would run into our vehicle. But I've never seen elephants run so fast in my life, which is quite, of course, it's just important to be aware. That's all. Aware of them. But now they've seemed to relax quite some bits. Very interesting family dynamic here that we've stumbled across. Ken from Iowa said that, is it true that an elephant never forgets? Ken, that's a great little comment you've just said about whether they never forget. I think they have a very, very good memory, and when something disturbs them, irritates them, influences them, they'll always remember that interaction they had, purely because it's the best form of defense is to remember.